Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will talk about how to make the question structure of imnika and how to answer it. So, let's start.
Learn Korean Lesson 6, Question 1.
Imnika is a question ending as well as the question form of imnida.
Question ending imnika.
Blank imnika means is this blank? In Tagalog, ito ba ay?
This will be the sentence structure of the question form imnika. This un and nun is a topic marker to know for the topic of a sentence. Then add imnika after the subject of the sentence. For examples, if someone is holding a banana and want to say or want to ask if it is a banana, he or she would ask, "Igotun banana imnika?" in Korean. Igotun means this, and banana in Korean is still banana, and imnika is the question form of imnida sentences. When someone wants to ask what is something near the listener, he or she will say, "Hugotun cha imnika?" It means, is that a tea? Hugotun is that, and cha means tea. When the thing that you want to ask is far from both the speaker and the listener, he or she would say, "Chogotun sagwa imnika?" It means, is that one over there an apple? Chogotun means that one over there, and sagwa means an apple. In this situation, this is the speaker and this is the listener. The speaker wants to ask if the listener is a teacher. She should say, "당신은 선생님 입니까?" in Korean. It means, are you a teacher? 당신은 means you, and 선생님 means teacher. You can also use this question form if you want to ask someone if he or she is a police officer, a janitor, a doctor, and so on. All we have to do is to change this part. For example, we want someone to ask if he or she is a police officer. Police officer in Korean is 경찰. You will say, "당신은 경찰입니까?" It means, are you a police officer? And when you want someone to ask, "Are you a janitor?" you will say, 당신은 관리인입니까? And for doctor, doctor is wisa. We will say, 당신은 의사입니까? It means, are you a doctor? Next, we will learn how to answer those questions in affirmative form and in a negative form. This is how to form an affirmative answer. Ne igotun banana imnida. It means, yes, this is a banana. Ne means yes. Igotun means this. Banana is still banana, and imnida is the declarative formal form in Korean. And when someone asks you, "Is this a banana?" and you want to say, "No, this is not a banana," you will say, "Animnida igotun banana ga animnida." Animnida means no, igotun is this, banana is banana, and ga is the subject marker and amnimnida means not.
Not every Korean sentence needs a grammatical sentence. Usually, the subject can be omitted if it is clearly known to both the speaker and to the listener. Especially, casual information, the grammatical subject you and I are often left out.
For example, in a question form dang sinun kyung chal imnika, you can remove the dang sinun and just say kyung chal imnika. It still means, are you a police officer? If we want an affirmative answer to that question, we will say ne chunun kyungchal imnida. Or we can also say and remove the chunun and just say ne kyungchal imnida. It means, yes, I am a police officer. And when we want a negative answer, we will say animnida chunun kyungchal I animnida. It means, no, I am not a police officer. We can also remove the chunun and just say animnida kyungchal I animnida.
So that's it. I hope you learned in this video. See you on my next video. Bye!